You don't need a team anymore to run a business. In fact, most companies are wasting thousands every month on work that AI can already do better, faster, and cheaper. Today, I'm going to show you 7 AI systems that can replace entire departments in a business. Not tool systems, because tools save time, but systems make money. Let's start with the first one. System 1, AI customer support. Most businesses hire people to reply to messages, emails, and complaints. But now AI chatbots can handle 80 to 90% of customer conversations instantly, 24/7. No salaries, no delays, no burnout. System 2, AI content engine. Instead of hiring writers, designers, and editors, AI can now generate posts, videos, thumbnails, and ads in minutes. One person can produce what used to take an entire team. System 3, AI sales assistant. Follow ups, lead qualification, email replies. AI can automate the entire sales pipeline, which means you never lose a potential customer again. System 4, AI automation workflows. This is where everything connects. Using automation tools, you can link your website, payments, emails, and CRM. So your business runs by itself. Orders come in, AI processes them, customers get updates without you touching anything. System 5, AI data analyst. Businesses used to hire analysts to understand data. Now AI can instantly tell you what's working, what's failing, and where to invest next. This means faster decisions and better profits. System 6, AI marketing system. Ads targeting, copywriting, optimization. AI can now run and improve campaigns automatically. It learns faster than humans and scales faster too. System 7, the one person AI business. When you combine all of this, you don't just save money, you replace the entire structure of a company. One person running marketing, sales, support, and operations with AI. This is why everything is changing. Businesses are no longer asking, how many people do we need? They are asking, how much can we automate? Because in this new economy, the winners are not the ones with the biggest teams, they are the ones who build the smartest systems. If you want to learn how to build your own AI powered business, follow this page and share this with someone who is still doing everything the hard way.